Brought to you by Curious Marineland. Alright, so this is the directions, the video. If you're not certain what to do, take a quick look at this video. I'll try and make it short. So first, when you go to Blackboard, you're going to see this is the agenda on Blackboard. If you go, but what I've done, so here's the assignments like you normally go. If you want the agenda between now and the end of this unit, that's fine. But if you click announcements, which is what I'm going to do, I've kind of elaborated on what you need to do. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to grade the hypothesis and conclusion. You're going to get this handout, this rubric right here, and this is going to be collected by Mr. Matheny and the sub. Okay, so you're going to fill this out for your partner. So put your partner's name and go through this. So that's step one. So let's go ahead and keep going to announcements. So that's the first thing. That's going to be collected. Then there's two links to two sets of notes that you're going to need to copy down. Now one of the things that, so if I click this video, here's where it goes. I'm going to just mute it. And really, one of the things that it says in the announcements is go to the 5-minute and 12-minute mark. And so what I did is I showed some models, and I'll show you these when I get back. But if you go to the 5-minute mark, right around here, and pause it, I give you some details, and we start copying down. We'll start copying down some notes. This will continue over into here, and like you'll want to copy down monomer and polymer. So literally, you could just spend like 3 minutes on this video, and you'll get everything you need to copy down. Now, let's go down here. If you click the course links, that's going to take you into Blackboard course materials, where you can actually see the PowerPoint used for the video. So if you want to use that instead of watching the video, I'm going to just navigate through there. So if I click this link, look where it goes. So let's first remember this is how. So you're going to need to scroll all the way down. Actually, the link will take you there from the announcement. So literally, these two things are what you're going to look at. If you click this PowerPoint, it's going to look like this. All right, and we're going to basically, you're going to do a couple slides. You're going to talk about carbon, macromolecules, scroll down. Usually we just read this, but then this is a big slide to get, because this is showing the 4 macromolecules that we need to know. Now, one of the things I want to point out about this handout is it's going to help you with the homework, where you're going to write out. So you just keep scrolling through here, and you got the notes. It's going to actually go through some different parts. We'll probably come back with this later, but they give you additional stuff on carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids. All right, so I'm going to close that and go back to the agenda. So that's this particular link. Then this one has 4 slides that you need to copy down, because you're going to do step 4 for homework. So when I click this video, so it picks up with the other one, but then what you need to do is there's a slide. This slide is one that you need to copy down, and then in the video I'm literally saying what you need to copy down, so I'm not going to say it again, but go through. There's 4 slides, one for carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, nucleic acids. Now, if you don't want to watch the video, what I want you to do is come over and click this. That PowerPoint is going to look like this, and there's some repeat slides, but pretty much, and as I say in the videos, you're going to scroll down and find there's a slide. This is a familiar pattern, so you basically copy down each one of these 4 slides. Now, once you've done that, you'll be able to work on the homework, which is this handout. So basically, it's got 2 parts: a fill-in-the-blank part and then the chart. This should look very familiar. It should look just like the PowerPoint notes you got, the 4 macromolecules, and then the elements, the subunits, and examples. This is where the other PowerPoint will come in handy. So I want to point out one more resource on Blackboard. All right. After it has been checked, next class, so that will be homework. It will be checked, and you can check the key. It's split into 2 parts. and then later on watch the video on the foldable. So that's pretty much the agenda, and that's what's going to be happening on Friday's class. And then on Tuesday's class, we're going to put it to practice and we're going to expand on it. So, all right, that's pretty much what you're doing on the Friday, the 4th of October. All right, brought to you by Curious Marineland.